So today is the 24th of October and we've come down to check out the house again. The in-laws are here. Brent's actually back from WA. He's been stuck in WA because of COVID. Yeah, so you can see he's a little bit twisted. So yeah, just gonna put the nail bag on, throw a few boards on. No one ever works on Saturdays around here, so I might as well do it myself. So the window flashing saga and the trim saga is still going on. We're having a major drama there, but we're trying to figure it out with Bold at the moment. But could be someone footing some cost. This week we've got the bats in the ceiling and in the walls that have gone in for our insulation, for our acoustic requirements, so that's looking good. House has been wrapped on level 2, so it's weather tight. It's Halloween. We've just come down to the block. We've got Talsy and Lani here, just doing the Q&A. Tracy and Talsy, just telling us what's up and what's wrong. Today is Sunday the 1st of November. So last week we had some severe weather. It hasn't impacted the build. The boys kept working. They installed gyprock downstairs and upstairs and come through and set on Friday.
The walk-in pantry, kitchen area, dining, the lounge room, the built-in, other kitchen area, and the island bench space. And check out the wardrobe, looks awesome. Really high ceilings.
Fit the big 10 footers.